Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best 1000-watt power supply in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best 1000-watt power supply. The fifth product on our list is ARESGAME AGT 1000 watts. The ARESGAME AGT power supply caters to budget-conscious builders, offering a balance of affordability and powerful performance. Designed for high-performance PCs, it features 80+ Gold certification, ensuring up to 90% efficiency under typical loads. This makes it a reliable choice for users requiring sustained power output and energy savings during prolonged use. For those looking to avoid unnecessary expenses, the AGT series provides a practical alternative by concentrating on fundamental functionality. Its fully modular design ensures easy cable management and a streamlined interior, improving both aesthetics and system performance. This clean design optimizes airflow, helping to maintain lower temperatures when the system is under heavy load. The power supply is equipped with a quiet 120mm fan, which supports excellent heat dissipation without disrupting noise-sensitive environments. This makes the PSU suitable for both gaming rigs and professional workstations, where minimal distraction is essential. Moreover, its comprehensive suite of protections, including OVP, UVP, and SCP, ensures that your components remain safeguarded against various power irregularities. Up next, in fourth place, is the MSI MPG A1000G. MSI's MPG A1000G power supply stands as a cornerstone for next-generation PC setups, boasting features that meet both current and upcoming hardware requirements. It includes a native 16-pin PCIe connector and meets ATX 3.0 standards, making it highly suitable for the latest PCIe 5.0 graphics cards. This ensures it is an ideal solution for users looking to enhance their systems with advanced GPUs, promising smooth and robust performance. With a design that allows only necessary cables to be connected, the fully modular PSU simplifies the building process and boosts internal aesthetics along with system airflow. The clean configuration aids in optimal thermal management, which is critical during high-demand tasks. The 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan contributes to this quiet efficiency, making it highly suitable for shared or serene working spaces. Emphasizing reliability and efficiency, the MPG A1000G is 80+ Gold certified, ensuring that it delivers over 90% efficiency at typical loads. This high efficiency is not just about power saving, it's about offering stable and dependable power delivery to high-performance components, reducing stress on the system while enhancing the overall longevity of the setup. The third product on our list is the Seasonic Focus SSR-1000FX. Seasonic's Focus SSR-1000FX power supply is designed for its compact size, exceptional efficiency, and unwavering reliability, making it ideal for users who require optimal performance in limited spaces. It is 80+ Gold certified and operates with up to 90% efficiency at half load. This capability is crucial for significantly reducing energy consumption and managing heat output, both of which are essential for maintaining system stability during extended periods of high-intensity computing. With a fully modular design, the SSR-1000FX allows for significant flexibility in cable management, enabling a tidy installation that not only looks good, but also promotes better airflow through the system. This feature is crucial for users who prioritize a clean and efficient build environment. Additionally, the hybrid silent fan control offers 3 operational modes: fanless, silent, and cooling, providing optimal noise reduction and thermal control based on the system's current needs. Despite its compact design, this power supply unit delivers significant power, supporting high-demand components and GPUs suited for gamers and professionals. The robust protection features, including over-temperature, over-voltage, and short-circuit protection, ensure the longevity and safety of both the power supply and the components it powers. The second product on our list is the Corsair RM1000X. The Corsair RM1000X is another heavyweight in the 1000-watt power supply category, building on the reputable RMX series with several enhanced features tailored for modern high-end builds. This model is specifically designed to meet the demands of the latest hardware, including support for the PCIe Gen 5 platform, making it a future-proof choice for upcoming upgrades and new technology integrations. Corsair's approach to noise reduction is evident in the RM1000X, which includes a 0 RPM fan mode. This feature allows the fan to remain off at low and medium loads, ensuring near-silent operation, which is a significant advantage for users who prefer a quiet working environment. The fully modular design further complements this by enabling precise cable management, reducing clutter, and improving airflow inside the case, critical for maintaining optimal operating temperatures without noise. With 100% Japanese, 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, known for their resilience, the RM1000X sets the bar high in reliability, especially during intense high-load operations. It's engineered not just to provide power, but to maintain stability and performance when it matters most. For professionals and gamers who demand the best, the 10-year warranty further cements its reputation as a power supply you can trust. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the EVGA 1000G5. EVGA has designed the 1000-watt Supernova G5 with an 80+ gold certification, ensuring exceptional energy efficiency. This feature is essential for reducing operating costs and maintaining system stability, even under heavy loads. The certification guarantees that it operates at 91% efficiency during typical use, making it a top choice for users who value both performance and energy savings in their demanding systems. In terms of design, the fully modular setup of the Supernova is a boon for PC builders. It allows for removing unnecessary cables from the setup, which not only clears space for better airflow, but also simplifies the building process. This feature is particularly helpful during upgrades or when tweaking components, as it minimizes the clutter inside the case and maximizes the aesthetic and functional aspects of the system setup. Offering long-term reliability, EVGA's 10-year warranty and built-in protections such as OVP and UVP are integral to this power supply, ensuring it stands the test of time. With a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan, the unit runs smoothly and quietly, even under load, so users can focus on their work or gaming without distractions. This combination of robust protection and whisper-quiet operation makes it ideal for those seeking durability and a calm environment. That's all for our list of the 5 best 1000-watt power supply on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.